Hello everyone, welcome to Matt's Top Tech. Today we're taking a look at how you can change your hard drive and your RAM on an old laptop. So to begin with, what you'll need to do is get yourself a screwdriver, normally a posi drive. Secondly, we need to make sure all the power is disconnected. Make sure you get rid of the battery. You also need to make sure that there's no static on you. Get an anti-static band, or make sure you've been grounded to something. So first of all, we need to take the screws off at the back. Every laptop will be different, but this is just to give you an idea of what to look out for. This is on the DELL Inspiron. So under this cover you can see we've got the hard drive and the RAM just there. What we can do is take these 4 screws out to remove the hard drive. Very easy. Once all them are out, all we need to do is simply slide back the hard drive. Like that. So as you can see, we've just put a WD blue 250GB SSD drive. This was to replace the old mechanical drive that the laptop came with. Very easy to do. This bracket just screws on. Let's put that back. Pop that in. Screw it back into position. Big upgrade with the SSD. It means that your computer will boot up in no time. It takes seconds to boot up, much better than the old mechanical drives. This is a good replacement for any computer. So the RAM is held in by these clips. All you do is simply push it to the side and your RAM pops out like so. Obviously the RAM's slightly smaller in laptops than it is on desktops, but they do have a notch so you can't get it in the wrong way. So we've upgraded this to a 4GB, whereas before we were running on just 3GB altogether. So we've took the 1GB stick out and replaced it with a 4. That just bobs in on the angle like that. Push it down till it clips in. And that's it. Nice short video on how to change your hard drive and your RAM on your laptop. Put the cover back and we're all done. Thanks for watching.